Hi, my name is Martje. I'm the host of the Instagram channel Martje's Journal, and I'm part of the Archer and Olive ambassador team. And today I'm gonna show you some advices how to stop to doom scrolling and start to be creative. My plan for today is to use this wonderful bullet journal from Archer and Olive. I like the look because of the cute foxes. As you can see, I already finished one page. For a first overview, I put my self-made printable on the first side. You can also download it for free on the Archer and Olive blog. And I create a weekly spread on the right side, which I use to structure my week. One great aspect I love about being creative and not waste my time with doom scrolling is eating cookies, drink tea, and do something good things for myself. Now I will create a mood tracker in this journal. A mood tracker is a simple and helpful option to practice mindfulness and understand your emotional situation and your feelings. I think this page is a good idea instead of doom scrolling. Mood trackers can be simple or artistic, like circles, lines, shapes, flowers, or monthly grids. Each day, you fill a section with the color that represents your mood. Over time, the page becomes a colorful map of your emotional month. In my opinion, it's first of all very important to interrupt the routine of doom scrolling, so you don't need any special supplies for the creating of a mood tracker. I didn't use a lot of stationery for the mood tracker, so it's easy for you to make it. I just used this calligraphy pens from Archer and Olive. Because I'm a tea lover, I decided myself for this motif. It's very simple, so also if you're starting with art and journal, you can easily make it. As you can see, my cat also loves journaling. Now you should number the motifs like the days of the month. Now you think about how many emotions you want to use for the mood tracker and write them down in a small legend. I also use these colorful pens from Archer and Olive to color my mood tracker. As an example how it works, I'm calling the first 3 days for you. Another idea to avoid doom scrolling is to download free coloring pages, glue them in your journal, and enjoy coloring it. I think it's so relaxing. I just found these 2 pages for free in the internet and I'm so happy about them. I hope you like my ideas and you can use some of them instead of doom scrolling in social networks. You can get more ideas and details in my blog post or my printable. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!